Hi, this is Dexter. Pag-usapan natin ngayon is regarding it's about Xiaomi Xiao Fang, an IP cam, 1080p IP cam from Xiaomi. So this is my second Xiaomi IP camera already. So second time open natin, been here for quite some time ago. Received ko to September, using the first one already. So this is the second one para sa kwarto, para sa magbabantay ng bata. So pag-usapan natin papakita ko mo pag-unbox, then pag-setup ng IP cam, but yan. So before time we start, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell button to give you more notification regarding sa mga new vlogs na i-up ko for the coming future. So let's get started. Okay, Xiaomi Xiao Fang. Xiaomi Xiao Fang was made by Xiaomi, tech brand from China. So this is one of the products, a wireless camera named Xiao Fang. So before we start unboxing the product, so I will give you at least the information regarding the item, regarding the IP cam. So Xiaomi, the brand is Xiaomi Xiao Fang. Lens is 2.0 aperture with 110 degrees angle. Resolution is 1920 by 1080. Then it's infrared. It has infrared and night vision. Night vision distance is around 9 meters. Then it also has a sensor smoke and CO alarm monitor. Then the connection is 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi with a storage capacity of maximum of 64 gig max. Product size is 50-50 by 56 millimeter. Mamaya papakita ko ulit yan. Fuse large is around 100 grams. The power input is 5 volts 1 ampere. Supports devices around it's Android 4 and iOS 7 and above. So simula na tayo, i-unbox natin para mapakita sa inyo. Okay, so this is the box. Yan. Okay, here's the Xiaomi. Palaman ng box. Yan. Manual. Sadly, manual is Chinese. I can't understand it. Okay, there's the item. Okay. So inside the box is okay. Inside the box, taking off the rubber. Okay. Okay. So inside the box this is power cord, a long one, power cord. Okay, connected first. So let's start the process. Okay. So yeah. Yeah, Xiaomi Xiao Fang. Okay. Xiaomi Xiao Fang resolution is 12. Resolution is, okay, let's start. The field of view is 110 degrees. Image sensor is 1/3 of CMOS. Night vision distance of around night vision distance is around 9 meters. With sensor smoke and CO alarm monitor. Sinabi ko na earlier. Well, ayan, 50 by 50 by 56. 50, 50, 56. Ayan. Then 100 grams. 5 volts. Ayan, okay. 100. All. So, nakita nyo naman siguro na to. Let's start the setting up. Actually, I can't understand this, so wala tayong way to set up. Tapos natin yung power. So it should have power. Ayan. The color. Then, ayan. As you see, meron siyang SD card. SD card slot and the reset button. Sadly, pag bumili ka nito, it's only Chinese, so nangangapa tayo. So first thing to do, after you download the app and register the account, the account, before muna, pag nag-download ka pala nito, you can download the app at Google Store. Find Me Home. After finding Me Home, pagka nakuha mo na yung Me Home, okay, just download the app. After downloading the app, ayan, mag-register ka. Okay. So this is Me Home. Ayan, Me Home. So, just download the app, then after downloading the app, open. After you download, pag nag-open ka na, after opening the app, so, okay, nakita mo yan. New. But sa akin kasi naka-register na ako, so, diretso na. For the first timers or for mga bago pa lang, pag nag-register kayo ng account, pag namili kayo ng location, region, i-select ninyo yung Mainland China. If you ask question why, I don't know. Pero if you try US, nagkakaroon problema eh. So sa akin, ginamit ko lang sa China. So tumatakbo. So now, after na yan, nakita mo na. Just click add device. Add device. So it should be looking now. If not, just click the reset. Hold the reset until you hear na may magsalita ng Chinese. So you hear it. Yeah. Because you hear it na, either you select the Xiaomi Xiao Fang or just let it yung sarili niya mag-detect the devices nearby. So you see Xiaomi Xiao Fang Smart. Okay. So select the camera because I have my own setting already. So ayun na siya. But for those people na hindi pa alam, okay, let's assume yan. So this is the new. So all you need to do is tap and enter password. So tap password. So you see na, ayan na. Okay na siya ngayon. Next natin. So scan QR with camera. Scan the QR code with camera and keep the phone in distance at about 15 centimeters. I don't know how anong kalayo yan, so let's do 15 centimeters. Ganun ba kalayo yan? Yan. Okay, hindi natin alam kung ano yan. So basta I heard scanned successfully. Okay, connecting device to network. Okay, next. Isa pa. Ayun, isa pa. Isa pa ulit. So yan. So na-register na. After ma-register, nasabihin naman yung pag-connect niyan. After ma-register, so yun siya ngayon. So after nga makakuha, piliin mo lang kung saan siya ilalagay. Name your camera. So I'll name my camera my living room. livingroom.com. So post natin siya sa living room. Home create shortcut, yes. Yes, now. Adding info. Added shortcut. So you open nyo yung cam. So that. So there. So use it. Yeah. There's the cam. So dito sa video na to, okay, so you see to speak, you can speak, you can hear the yung voice nito, you can set it full screen. Parang yan, parang malaki. Ayan. It's recording actually. And you can do the replays. Ayan. Then more is you can do the motion alarm, the time lapse, yung small screen version, and i-off yung buong cam. So pwede mo rin palitan yung night vision. So by default ang night vision is on or auto. Let's do the night vision mode. Okay, so we will do the night vision mode. Okay, so this is the cam. We'll do the night vision. So that's the night vision. Oh, nawalan tayong connection. Okay, ulit. That's on. So yung auto natin. So yan siya. Dahil may camera siya. But if we take off the okay. So automatic. Night vision mode. And babalik na siya. Night vision. So that's it. Meron daw siyang smoke sensor so alarm. Pero ang alam ko, ang pagkakabasa ko, kailangan yung sa Xiaomi rin ang gagamitin mo. So, yan. Kasi man set yung resolution, sa akin ginamit ko lang slow para matipid. Pero pwede pa rin siyang i-set up para magkaroon siyang kung kailan siya open, kailan siya close. Better yet, kung meron kang mga item na from Xiaomi ng mga sensors, mas maganda para mag-complement sa Xiao Fang mo for scenes. Okay, tingnan natin kung ano ito. Okay, general settings lang naman yan eh. Video record, photo album kapag meron. Camera settings, automation, yung sinasabi ko para pwedeng mag-collab yung mga other gadgets mo from the same brand para mas automated. General settings, okay. Firmware, kailangan ko mag-update ng firmware but not, yan. So yan, so okay, siguro next 2 months from now or next month, 2 months from now, gagawin ko yung review ng original na isa kung ganito para kung ano ba talaga siya, kung sulit ba o hindi. So again, please don't forget to subscribe my channel okay, kapag meron kayong questions or meron kayong gustong meron kayong comment, please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Then please like the video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell button for more notifications para sa future vlogs ko. So this is Chapter signing off.